Looking for more power from an impact? It's time to go brushless. LXT Brushless. 50% longer runtime, increased power and speed, longer life. The 18-volt lithium-ion LXT Brushless cordless impact driver. Available as a bare tool or in a kit. It provides 1,420 inch-pounds of max torque and up to 2,300 impacts per minute. LXT brushless means there are no brushes to replace, ever. A magnetic force generated through the windings means less friction and cooler temperatures. Say goodbye to brushes, and the efficient charging system circulates air to cool the battery and charges in only 30 minutes. You get the same LXT battery that's part of 50+ tools.